a new product for review, and today we are going to review the Everest Kitchen King Masala. So guys, this is a Kitchen King Masala from Everest Kitchen King Masala. Is nothing but a blend of spices which is perfect for cooking any recipe. So this is the Everest Kitchen King Masala. Right now we look at the packaging. It comes packaged in a nice cardboard box here. Right, we have the Everest branding right on top. You can see the Everest branding, the name of the product, Kitchen King Masala, mentioned here. Then here is an illustration of a paneer butter masala made using the Kitchen King Masala. So here is an illustration of the paneer butter masala. This is a 100% vegetarian product because this is nothing but spice powder made from various spices. Now moving on, let's look at what are the spices that are used in the Kitchen King Masala. What is the Kitchen King Masala made from? Like, what are the spices in it? First of all, there is coriander powder, there is cumin, there's chili, there's turmeric, black pepper, garlic, dry ginger, mace, green cardamom, bengal gram, black gram, nutmeg, fenugreek, taj, clove, caraway, star anise, dried fenugreek, iodized salt, compounded asafoetida, mustard, and black cardamom. So many spices are there which are mixed together in a perfect proportions to get the best taste out of it, which comes in the Kitchen King Masala. So guys, this is a perfect masala. Like, I've been using the Everest Kitchen King Masala in almost any and every recipe that I cook at home. Like my family also, my auntie, my wife, all of them use the Everest Kitchen King Masala in the house to cook whenever they are cooking, and whenever I'm cooking something special in the kitchen, I also my go-to thing is the Kitchen King Masala because it is a perfect blend of spices. Like, it has so many flavors, so much nice, such a nice aroma to it when it's added to the food. You don't need other spices to be added. Like, this is the perfect spice mix to cook any and every dish from the Indian cuisine. So it gives it a perfect aroma and flavor that it needs. So yeah, this is the Kitchen King Masala from Everest, and I told you all the different spices that are involved in it. This is the net weight of this package is 100 grams. It's a 100 gram pack, and it is priced at rupees 65. So the Everest Kitchen King Masala is priced at rupees 65. Moving on to the back of the pack. On the behind the pack, again you can see the Everest branding in Hindi, the name of the product in Hindi, and then they have given a recipe for the paneer butter masala right here in English and in Hindi both. They have mentioned step-by-step recipe to make the paneer butter masala. The rich yet mild flavor of the Everest Kitchen King Masala adds a new dimension to vegetable and paneer dishes. So it's a must add in any vegetable and paneer dishes for sure. I use it in non-veg dishes as well because it gives it an amazing flavor. So yeah, that's all the information available here on the box. You can see the branding right on top as well. So let's go ahead and unbox the product. So we'll quickly open it up. Guys, here it is. We have opened the outer box, and inside the box we have a packet of the Everest Kitchen King Masala. This is 100 grams of Kitchen King Masala, and the inner pack has the Everest branding all over it. You can see there's Everest written all over it. So there's an Everest branding all over it, and this is the Kitchen King Masala. I will just open the pack and show you all the packing. How does it look? Just tear it open from here. Open from one side. Okay, I'll show you how the masala looks from inside. So it is very fragrant. This is the Everest masala. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah. So this is the masala, how it looks. This is the Kitchen King Masala here. Inside it. So this is the Kitchen King Masala, and it's very aromatic. It has a strong flavor. The fragrance, the aroma of it is similar to that of the Maggi Magic Masala. So if you all have tried the Maggi Magic Masala, masala magic, that thing, the packet that comes from Maggi. It is similar to the Everest Kitchen King Masala. So yeah, like even the Maggi noodles, the masala Maggi noodles, the aroma is similar, but this is much flavorsome and more aromatic than that. It has strong flavors in it. It is a fine powder here, which you can add to any vegetable or any dishes like vegetable, non-vegetarian, paneer. For any type of dishes, you can apply you can add in the Everest masala and you can improve the taste of the food. So guys, I have been using the Everest and I really like the Everest Kitchen King Masala. I haven't tried other brands yet, so I won't be able to comment about the same, but Everest Kitchen King Masala is one of the best available, and I just find it amazing that because you can use that, it is so versatile. It can be used in any kind of a dish. So you can add it to any dish you are preparing and it will make it more flavorsome and delicious. So guys, like at the price of 65, I think Everest Masala is perfectly priced at 100 gram packet. Say even if you're adding it daily, will last you at least a month easily. So it's not at all expensive, it is affordable, and I think it's an amazing spice mix to use while cooking any Indian dishes. So guys, this was my review about the Everest Kitchen King Masala. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.